Hey guys and gals, it's about midway through March, so it's time for a What Sold video. I've been really slack on my videos and I apologize for that. It's just been crazy busy. I've been editing an estate sale video that I did, I guess a month ago now. It's a tattoo mark estate sale out in Thermal. I just haven't finished it yet. Sorry, there's a cat down below me sneezing. Bless you. Bless you. You little sickie. Anyways, here are the highlights of what sold in the first couple of weeks of March. I have a sale in the card catalog from the Center Tapes. It is a pair of earrings. These are part of a set that I found on Whatnot from Joan Rivers. Costume jewelry. This is the Ladybug set. And it can sell for quite a lot of money. I split them up. These are the earrings, and they sold for $17 today on eBay. Hey, I gotta go on a search for these. They're up in the closet, but I had a lot of 1970s sewing patterns. Different types: Simplicity, McCall's, Marion Martin, Ann Adams, etc., etc. And just sold them on Poshmark. Sorry, this is Mercari for $17.99. I have a sale in Bin E. Should be close to the top because it's a recent listing. It's a shirt. I see hats. I see Hawaiian shirts. I think this is it right here. Yeah. This is a Peter Millar shirt that I want to say I found this at a thrift store, which I rarely do. Thrifting because they're too expensive, but it was like $8. And I picked it up because I watch, one of the few clothing resellers I watch is oh gosh, what's her name? Ashley. She's from the Utah area. Like no, not homeschool picker. Stay-at-home mom. I don't know, but she does clothing, so I try to watch her because she's entertaining and I learn a lot. And Peter Millar is always a good pickup. But I just sold this for about $22, $23 on eBay. And with an $8 pickup, it's not a huge profit, but it's still pretty decent, and it sold pretty quickly. I sold a VHS tape out of the B-bin. It's one of my old listings. It's right here. It's a sealed copy of The Mummy. There you go. Starring Brendan Fraser back in the 90s, I want to say. Had it up for quite a while, but finally just sold it on eBay for $6.50. I have a sale from Bin D. Let's grab it. What I have should be at the top. It's one of my hats. There, right there. It's been around a while, though. This is a Star Trek, I think it's a stadium giveaway hat. It has a Florida Marlins emblem right here. And I just sold it on eBay for $26. I had to go digging in the unmarked bin for this because it was way down at the bottom. I have a For Your Consideration a DVD for Sons of Anarchy. And this has been around quite a while, but I just sold it on Poshmark for $12. I have a sale in Bin B, and it's right there. It's this double VHS Captain America. It's from like the 70s or 80s. I don't know. It's sealed, and I just sold it on eBay for $7.99. I sold a gas can. This is this Underwriters Laboratory gas can. I forgot how big it is. I think it's 5.5 inches. And it's really cool. There we go. Just Right Safety Can. Underwriters Laboratories, Inc. And it's a cool little piece. It's an antique piece that I picked up for, I want to say, $5. And just sold it on eBay for $23. I have a sale in Bin A. And it is a good sale. Let's see if I can find it. Hopefully it's up at the top. I believe it's this. Yeah, I think it's this one. I have to make sure it's all complete inside. This came in a bin of camera stuff that I bought at a yard sale for $20. And this one was a good one. And just sold it on, after some people offering me a little bit too low, just sold it on eBay for my full asking price of $99.99. I have a sale in the G bin. It's a CD that I picked up at a yard sale a while back. This one, it's Bone Thug and Harmony. I picked up a bunch of rap CDs. They are not quite as valuable as the rap cassettes or vinyl when you run across them, but if they're in decent enough condition, they will still sell. This particular one, The Art of War, sold for a little over $14 today on eBay. Out of the G bin, I had to go digging. And I sold, sorry for the whiplash, everybody. I sold the House of Blues, Orlando, Florida. It's like a whiskey glass or a highball glass. Just sold it to somebody in Florida for $8 today on eBay. I went digging in Bin H, which is one of my largest banker's box that I have. Probably shouldn't get this big because I let it get too overfull and it's really heavy and hard to pick out. And anyways, went digging and I found this. This is one of my oldest listings. It's an Eli Cattleman shirt and really cool Southwestern design. And I picked this up at an estate sale out in Joshua Tree. It was a hoarder sale. They had a ton of Hawaiian shirts and a ton of like cool Southwestern shirts. So this has been around for a while. But just finally sold it on eBay for a little over $10 this afternoon. Another sale out of Bin H. And I think I'm doing this by feel. This feels about right. This one was interesting. I got an offer from somebody. Their feedback did not check out that great. So I actually declined it and went to block the person. But the person was so fast, they actually clicked through and bought it at full price. Like, oh gosh. So I'm actually hearing, I'm hoping that's all I'm hearing and not broken glass. But trying to open this up a little gently. Yeah, it's intact. Good. This is a little sugar dispenser, coffee sugar dispenser that I picked up at a garage sale. It's Daffy's Diner, great coffee. This person, based on the feedback that I could see, claims a lot of they didn't receive things and or chargebacks. But sometimes they're just fine. They're like right in the middle. So hopefully I get them on a good day and everything looks good. And they should get it on time. They're literally within 2 hours driving distance of me. But I'm going to pack it up really good and get it off to her and sold it for a little over $14 on eBay. I have another CD sale. This one's in B. And it wasn't posted too long ago either. Let's see. That might be it. Is it? Nope. It is another one of the rap CDs that I just recently got. I see something down here. Let me dig for it. Trying to do it the lazy route, guys, but no, it's another Snoop Dogg. All right, let me put you on pause for a second and find it for you. Okay, found it. It was actually tucked down this side. It is Eazy-E, Bone Thugs and Harmony. Try to find. There we go. You can read that a little bit better. Creeping on a come up. All of a sudden, these things are moving, and I think it's because Straight Outta Compton just came out on Starz and HBO. And I'm actually watching it. I haven't seen it yet. It's a really good movie. So all of a sudden, all my Ruthless Records and Eazy-E related stuff is going. This one I just sold on eBay to another Southern Californian for, I think it was around $13. I pulled my massive G bin out of there so I could go digging. It's a red shirt that I sold. Not that one. Excuse me. This was not a huge sale. It was a low dollar item. It's this really cool red, white, and blue Nike shirt, the Nike tee, and just sold it on eBay for, I want to say, $8 to $9. I sold a shirt out of the J bin, which is up high, and kept light purposely. There we go. This is the Imaginary Foundation. It's a really cool shirt that I picked up at an estate sale from Grayson's here in the desert. And I want to say I went during half price day, so I paid probably $1.50 for this. It's been a while, but just sold it on eBay for $19. And there's a reason why I've backed off of going to a lot of estate sales and garage sales. I have so much stuff back there. I still have to list. And I really need to make a dent in it before I get more. So I'm allowing myself to do estate sales and garage sales, but I have to have seen like fantastic pictures of things that I know I can flip or that I really want. Or, maybe it's been several weeks since I've been to a garage sale, then I'll just go out and see if there's anything to find. But I'm being more pickier than I typically am. But that's all I have for you today. Things are selling. It's kind of slow, but things are selling. That's good. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.